Welcome to the world of IDFC First Wealth Credit Card, where joining and annual fees are a thing of the past. Plus, apply via cashkaro to earn 1,000 rewards. Spend 15,000 within 90 days of card setup for a gift voucher worth 500 rupees and enjoy a 5% cashback on your first EMI transaction. Earn 6 times the reward points on online purchases and 3 times on offline purchases for spends up to 30,000 per month. Above that, 10 times the reward points. And let's not forget 10 times the points on birthday spends and triple points on rental and property transactions. Enjoy the privilege of low forex markup fees and 4 complimentary domestic and international airport lounge and spa visits per quarter. Benefit from an air accident cover, personal accident cover, lost card liability cover, and a comprehensive travel insurance cover. Avail interest-free cash withdrawal worldwide. Buy one, get one offers on movie tickets, discounts at restaurants and health and wellness outlets, and fuel surcharge waivers. Plus, enjoy the luxury of 2 complimentary golf rounds per month and the option to convert transactions above 2,500 rupees into EMIs. With IDFC First Wealth Credit Card, you're not just spending, you're earning rewards.